Okay, dinner tonight will be from our canned taco meat, and we're going to try it and see how we like it. This is nice for a quick meal because it's already cooked and canned. All I have to do is just dump it in the pan and warm it up. Smells delicious. It looks like it has moisture, so that's good. It did not dry out in the canning process. Let me just kind of show you up close. It does look moist. We're just going to warm this up and then we'll try it. Okay, it's hot through, so we're going to get ready to plate it up. Okay, got it all plated up here. We like ours a little bit different. I like a lot more lettuce on mine and salsa. I have sour cream, he does too. So we're going to try this canned taco meat and see how it is. Tastes just like when I cook it fresh. You gonna try it?
I guess.
This is my husband Wade, his first time on camera.
Okay, good.
He doesn't like to be on camera much. So thanks for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.